Good morning, guys. Bitcoin is showing the exact same signs, funny enough, actually in November of 2018, before we saw a huge run up here of 1,722%. Let me prove to you guys why I think the bottom may be coming in December. Check this out. Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. My name is Travis Martin. Guys, I've got a good, fun video for you today, and I'm going to give you guys proof of why I think the bottom is coming before the end of the year, specifically in December. I'm going to correlate this to the move that we saw back over in 2018, and it's the exact same setup we're seeing right now, guys, before we ended up pumping up here 1,722%. So I'll be going over that. Let me quickly remind you guys, we are going live with all of our members today in our membership, so make sure you guys get a membership today. I'm going to be talking to you guys over Zoom, doing an open Q&A session. All you guys need is a membership, and obviously you guys know this if you've been watching these videos. Our Black Friday sale is live. I will be going over these indicators today, but make sure you guys snag these. These are the best deals you guys can get. We will not have our bundle pack cheaper than this ever. Make sure you guys snag that. So let's get into the analysis today and show you guys what you came here for. Here's the deal, guys. A lot of people are wondering, where's the bottom of this? And I want to give some really good evidence of why I think this bottom could be coming in December. Come all the way down to the bottom of our website here. We need to look at the psychology of a market cycle for this video here. This is what's called the Wall Street cheat sheet, and they usually use this for stocks. But we can see we have a euphoric stage followed by a crazy crash, absolute anger taking over. And if you didn't think anger was enough, you get capitulation and people absolutely go into depression over here thinking everything's going to, you know, where in a handbasket. And so what usually happens is people sell, and it's the time to be buying. I want to correlate something maybe a little bit different over here for you guys and show you where I believe we're currently at. And funny enough, strange enough, freaky enough, we actually are seeing the exact same pattern play out here right now in the exact same month that we saw in 2018 before we hit the bottom. We established the bottom for a move back up. So take a look at this. You've got your impulse move here. You hit euphoria. Everyone's super excited. Everyone's buying Lamborghinis and Bugattis. And then this thing crashes down here and it creates what's called a descending triangle pattern. So look at this right here. Descending triangle pattern. Do you see what I just did there? I pulled the tops of this descending triangle at the wicks here. Okay, let me do this again so you guys see this a little better. I'm going to scroll in here so you can see this. This is very important that you see this. From right here, you're looking at this, pulling the tops. What do we get? We got a fake out to the upside, followed by a little shelving off period, and then a massive drop back down of panic, okay? I want you to remember this right there. Now I'm going to take you guys back over to the charts here. That is actually exactly what we ended up getting over here. So now take a look at this on the weekly time frame. We ended up getting that exact same descending triangle pattern, like literally the exact same one, guys, with a fake out to the upside with a massive crash back down. The same one that played out over here. And you're like, well, that's just a coincidence. No, maybe this has something to do with it, guys. When did that happen? Literally, there's November right here. And we're at November 17th, which this is December right here. So November 17th is right about here. And look where that drop places us, right about there. I do believe, as many people have said as well, I believe there's one more drop down in the market, and this is an exact repeat of what we saw in 2018 on the exact 2 months. So where's the bottom, and where was it over here? It was actually around this December time where we ended up seeing the bottom. I do think that's going to correlate very nicely, because look at this. Let me give you guys more evidence for this. I just think this is so much fun. We will be going over the indicators because basically you need to be watching for well money flow. Hit the bottom red section, trend and exhaustion, hit the bottom red section. Watch that for the buy signal on top and bottom finder, guys. I truly believe the next buy signal, strong buy signal on top and bottom finder will be the bottom. Okay, watch it very, very closely. Take a look at this. What I want you guys to see is something really interesting on the charts of what percentage decrease we got when we found the bottom over here. So if you guys take a percentage tool out here, I'm just going to pull this from the top of the wick all the way to the bottom of the cycle. Now we're just looking at price action. It was an 83 to 84% drop. Let's take a look at an 84% drop. Where does that place us currently on Bitcoin if you take the all-time high around $70,000? Well, let's take the top up here and let's pull this all the way back down. Where is 84%? 84% lies right around this area of about $11,000. Okay, $11,000, $10,000. That is why I think a lot of people are saying the bottom is going to be in either at $14,000 or $10,000. But the thing is, I do believe we could be seeing the bottom here in actually December. Now, November, I believe November is going to be a great month. We're going to have our turkey. All that's going to go on. I still think we need more time for FTX to sort everything out because I think there's just still too much crazy stuff going on. And I do believe, as I've been calling here, it's been a little shaky, but I have been calling that I believe we're going to break to the upside here, and then we're going to see accumulation of cash in the market, and we're going to see a drop back down. Accumulation of cash meaning that we're going to see a lot of people get into profit. They're going to take some profits. They're going to accumulate cash up here, which is what I'm planning on doing at this resistance, just being very patient right now, and then we're going to be buying the market back lower. Now we need to transition into the video is where in the world is that best next setup. You need to be watching for top and bottom finder. I'm going to show you some Bitcoin, and I'll show this to you guys on Ethereum as well. Ethereum, we'll take a look at this. Strong buy signal or buy signal down here with well money flow low and trend exhaustion low needs to be a place you guys are all looking for on the 4-hour and daily time frame. You got to come over, and you cannot deny the weekly time frame over here when we see that we have well money flow heading out of the market, has plenty of room to move down here. Come over on Bitcoin now. Well money flow is sitting at a metric value of 52 over here in the middle. Plenty of room to move back down. We definitely have this more room to move back down to the upside. Could it move up? Yes, but I do not believe this whole debacle with FTX is settled yet. I do believe we're going to start seeing some ripple effects of other exchanges. BlockFi looking like they're going to file bankruptcy, guys. BlockFi, okay? It's the domino effect that Jake was talking about in his videos, and I don't think this market is done from going down. So let me give you guys literally the biggest advantage you need over here. It is setting up an alert so you can have this go off so you don't miss it. Top and bottom finder. I'll do a pop-up right now so you guys can look at that while I'm setting this up. It's the Black Friday sale we got going on. Top and bottom finder, make sure you come over to the buy. And yes, I'm setting this up on the weekly time frame, okay? Weekly time frame, once per bar. I want you guys to go BTC and just do buy, okay? Set that up and create it. I haven't actually created these myself, so I'm going to do this right now in the video with you guys. BTC top and bottom finder, come over here, do strong buy once per bar, and then do BTC. We're going to do strong buy. Okay, set these up, guys, and make sure you are watching this over here set on the daily, the weekly, and the 4-hour. Let's bring this video full circle now. That will correlate to the absolute last drop that we saw back in 2018, pushing into the 2019 year, where the same shelving pattern happened with the massive drop back down, fear and panic and anger enter into the market, and then that was the established bottom. Guys, the established bottom before that over 1,000% pump that I showed you guys in the beginning of the video happened around December of 2018. I truly believe we are going to probably see the drop here in December here, and then that's where you guys want to get most exposed to the market. So I'm watching this very closely here, and I'm going to be trying to get majority of the rest of my cash into this market before the end of the year, and I'll be calling this out to you guys. So let's dive into these indicators here so you guys can set this up. Go to our website, and I'll make this really fast. It doesn't need to be long, okay? Get our bundle pack. This is the cheapest we will ever have our bundle pack. I honor you guys, and I promise you will never have it lower. Take advantage of us during this sale. Set up trend exhaustion. It comes with an alert. Set up price for money flow. You're going to get 7 other indicators. These are profits from people in a bear market. $4,000, $2,000, $5,000 profit, $4,000 profit, $3,000 profit. Guy made his money back within 2 hours. Oh, and $5,000 in 2 weeks, $2,000 in a few hours. We have tons of testimonials of people doing well with this. And we also have a scalping strategy that we're running right now, which is currently 381% higher than the S&P 500. Check this out. Come down here, get the bundle pack. You're going to get the source codes included. And I'm also going to give you guys right after checkout a 53% coupon code on the top and bottom finder. Everybody wants this, guys. You will not find another metric like it. I promise you. It doesn't use any oscillators. It is a mathematical equation that we coded into this, which is making it so amazing. If you want to buy it by itself, use Holiday 300. That coupon code will literally give you guys $300 off. So click that. Click to the right over here. You can see how to set up alerts. It comes with full risk management. Click I want this, guys. This sale ends Friday, November 25th. So here's the deal, guys. That's our normal price. Come over here, enter Holiday 300, slam that bad boy, apply, and you guys are going to get a discount. Here's the deal. You guys buy the bundle pack first. You are not getting $300 off. You will actually get $400 off if you just get the bundle pack first. Going into next year, guys, we're going to be scalping with this like we have clearly over here. We're also going to be accumulating as many coins as we can in this market using these indicators. I truly believe if you guys want an edge going into next year and the rest of this year going into Christmas, this is a very good time to get these. Take advantage of the sale we've got going on. These coupon codes are going to expire. We are taking them away and the price prices are going to be going back up November 25th. So make sure you guys snag this. We will run a flash sale on Cyber Monday, but this is where it's going to be ending on Friday. So snag this, guys. I'll keep you updated, but do you think that's kind of weird? Literally 2018, guys, before over 1,000% pump in Bitcoin, we ended up seeing the bottom established right around December. Let me just show it to you guys over here before I get off this video. I want to show you the exact date that happened. Let's go to the weekly time frame. Let's come back over here to where the little prehistoric dinosaur is, which maybe is Littlefoot. I'm not sure. Maybe it is. But let's take a look at this, where we ended up shelving off to that pattern right over here. Where was this? Places us December 17th, guys. December 17th, from December 10th to 17th. On that week, you can see at the bottom of my chart there, that's where we hit the bottom. And the exact same scarcity play is happening right now, where we're diving down into the market. We had the shelving off period. We had that same play where we came out in the market. We end up seeing that descending triangle pattern, and we end up dropping back down. So let's see what happens, guys. But there may be more correlation here than you think. Set up the indicators, look for that bottom, and enjoy the profits when the market goes back up. I'll keep you guys updated. God bless you guys. Bye-bye.